Welcome. Have a healthy lifestyle with Kitchen Minutes. Are you ready? Wanna eat cheesy chicken bites? Let's get started. Prepare chicken. Prepare dough. Flat with roller. Keep on rolling till desired size. Fold likewise. Roll again. Make it big. Dough prepared. Place on tray. Add ketchup. Add chili garlic sauce. Spread it. Add green sauce. Fill all sides. Add chicken. Fill in all over. Add bell pepper. Fill them likewise. Add onion. Sprinkle garlic powder. Sprinkle black pepper. Sprinkle cheese. Fill sides with cheddar cheese. Fold likewise. Bake for 10 minutes. Baked. Cut small bites. 1 bite for everyone. Super delicious cheesy chicken bites are ready to eat. Subscribe for more amazing ideas. Thanks for watching.